Hey there, this is attorney Simon Aziz Budhwani from Core Law Group. I can be reached at 949-505-2479. Today I'm going to talk to you about field sobriety tests, specifically whether a person, a driver such as yourself, is required to comply with FSTs, the field sobriety tests, when stopped for a DUI. We all know from popular culture that when an officer suspects somebody is driving under the influence, they usually ask them to step out of the car, and then they instruct them to perform a variety of field sobriety tests. Now, these tests can include the walk the line test, the finger to nose test, stand on one foot and count to 30, so on and so forth. Question is, are you required to comply? The answer is no, you're not. There's nothing in the law that mandates or requires a driver to perform those field sobriety tests. The question is then, why does almost every officer instruct or request that a driver perform field sobriety tests? The answer is twofold. One, officers are required to wait 15 minutes and observe the driver before making an arrest for DUI. Field sobriety tests are a great way to spend those 15 minutes. The second and more important reason is that officers are required to articulate with specificity words in their police report why they believed you were drunk and why they believe you should have been arrested for driving under the influence of alcohol. The field sobriety tests provide officers with that ammunition, with those words, with that specific articulation. For example, they love putting in their police report that you missed heel to toe 3, 4, and 5 during the walk the line test, or that you used the palm of your hand instead of your finger during the finger to nose test, or that you wobbled left to right during the one-legged stand. It gives them that specificity that is needed by law. And then that specificity is used by the district attorney to prosecute you for a DUI. That's why this practitioner personally believes that a person should not agree to a field sobriety test. However, before we leave today and conclude this video blog, I want to talk to you very briefly about what is required. There is a whole different blog on topic on this, but a person must agree to a implied consent test for breath or blood after they've been arrested. If you refuse that test, there can be ramifications against you, including a 1-year suspension of your driver's license for a first-time DUI and additional charges and enhancements in the criminal court as well. My name is Simon Aziz Budhwani. I'm a trial attorney at Core Law Group. I can be reached at 949-505-2479. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you and have a blessed day.